Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preheating to 175 degrees C and preparing pans so nothing slows you later. Mix the dry ingredients thoroughly so the leaveners distribute evenly. This prevents dense spots. In a separate bowl, cream butter with sugar until light. Once done, add eggs one at a time to incorporate air, then vanilla. Make sure to alternate adding dry mix with milk so gluten stays tender. Start and finish with dry. This streamlines texture and gives you predictable rise. Once your batter is mostly combined, fold the dry ingredients in 3 additions to protect air pockets. This is why you alternated earlier. When near homogeneous, add oil or melted chocolate to increase tenderness and richness. Fat also preserves crumb structure as it cools. Now, pour in hot coffee. The heat blooms cocoa, enhancing chocolate notes and loosening the batter to a pourable consistency. Make sure to scrape the bowl so no streaks remain. Gentle but thorough is the balance you want. Place pans in the center rack and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. You want a toothpick with moist crumbs, not raw batter, which ensures proper crumb without dryness. Once out, cool 10 minutes in the pan to set structure, then gently unmold onto a wire rack so steam escapes and prevents soggy tops. After fully cool, frost. If your cake is dense, check baking powder age and recall that overmixing or too much liquid will weigh it down. Adjust next batch accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.